All right, we're going live now. We're going to do an install today from Electrical Connection. We got Dano.
I'm supervisor.
We got Supervisor Gino, a.k.a. Superman. And we're going to put it in the heated seat amplifier. You're blocking his face. Turn it around so they can see it.
This is how it comes, Patrick, right from Mr. Lewis himself.
I'm going to say this is about a half cigar, 2 beer job. And let's see what kind of beer we got going on. All right, so we got the beer laid out right here.
So
I don't know why he likes that cheap stuff. I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. Whatever. Okay.
Get it. That dog's still growling at me.
I know, right? I got beer. Why are you checking my fridge already, man?
I was looking for another beer. A good beer.
A good beer. Well, the good beer's outside in the patio, man.
Hey, this one, I can drink it.
Hey, show them that CB 1100
Look at this.
bottle opener.
This is pretty cool right here.
Let's see here. Let me see if I can focus on that thing.
Put it on the
Yeah,
keychain.
there we go. Put it on the keychain.
Put it around your neck. You won't lose it when you fall in the
However,
curve.
disclaimer, we do not
Drink.
recommend drinking and riding.
Ever.
Ever.
Tools needed for the install. Whatever desire you have, you can use any sort of Allen, but it's a 6mm Allen. We got a 3/8 ratchet, a little extension, and we're gonna get going on.
Sounds complicated.
I'm gonna hold
Simplest thing you can do.
Hold the part.
I like this.
You need 'em.
Electrical Connection. Courtesy of Lewis Preston in Knoxville, Tennessee. All right.
Eat 'em, man.
So we're going to remove the seat. Right inside there, we'll remove the seat. You got 4 of these right inside the handrail there. See the supervisor is
He's seated in his supervisory position.
he looks like MLGNW worker over there. That's the Memphis version of light, gas, and water. Do the other side.
Now, why are there 270 shotgun rifle shells hanging out down here?
We are making a video over here, man. We're not talking about shotgun shells.
Oh, those are rifle rounds.
You got a 270?
Yeah.
We are in Memphis.
We need that for deer hunting and self-defense in Memphis.
That's like the 7.62.
I think so.
I think it's a little smaller, maybe.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to take the seat off, I guess.
We're just gonna lift it up to the rear.
Okay.
We're going to lift the rear of the seat up.
You don't
Untuck your rear panel here.
You don't want to take the whole thing off?
No, ain't no need to.
No. Okay.
Position it forward just a little bit.
Note this is on a 2008 model. Same thing for a 2012 plus, right?
It's
We're trying to work with my
There you go.
You got a flashlight?
DJI mobile too.
Here's your heated seat connector.
All right.
All we're gonna do is
Hold on. All right. So that's where the connector is. Right
Yep.
there.
only one way to go in and one way to go out. Press the inset,
That's what she said.
comes all the way out.
There you go.
It unplugs.
Now our
Unplug.
supervisor has done opened the bag from Electrical Connections, so we're just going to.
In Knoxville, Tennessee.
And one, we've already read the instructions from Lewis.
And done it once on a 2012.
So now, male and female connector,
Don't get them confused.
No.
only one way you can go.
No, some people go both ways.
I heard the click.
Click in,
Click.
and
We
that's
heard
it. Now we're just going to reassemble.
That was not even a 2-beer job.
Well, working with you it is.
Well, that's true.
One before and one after.
That's it for the install. And basically, you got to reassemble the seat. All right, we're going to reinstall the seat. 6mm.
At least he's not that big.
We are recording with the iPhone XR via the DJI Mobile Osmo Man, that is so smooth. Oh my goodness.
Your butt's gonna be warm now.
Woo!
What was that?
I am looking for
You're gonna heat mama up.
heat mama up, heat me up.
I just rolled your pen off of the top of the recycle.
It doesn't matter.
You get a new pen.
So while my boys came over, MemphisMike don't like a clean bike leaving his house.
Don't like a clean bike leaving his house.
What? I don't like a. What did I say?
He likes a. Don't like a.
I don't like a dirty bike leaving my house, so we had to do a little polish and shine over here. So that is Gino's. What year is that?
13.
Hey, how did you have this in here? Well,
2013. Right there. I put a little shine on it.
F11, right?
Got a little F11, a little bit of Honda spray going on. We like that black vinyl there, spray. I better get back to what they're doing over there. All right, so we're just finishing up the other side for the seat.
Mm-hmm.
Got those 2 screws in there. That's
Really
right.
shine the light.
That's right, Dano. Get down on your knees, buddy. I like a man on his knees.
You better edit
Somebody's
that
gonna get
out.
punched in this video.
They're gonna put you on a different website.
All right, so we got the seat installed back, and that's pretty much all it is to it. Maybe 10 minutes at most, depending on how many beers you drink or what, before and or after. And my bike is a 2008, and Dano's is a 2012? 2012, same install. So me and Dan can't do anything with one without the other, so had to get him some toasty buns too. He's got a 100-mile ride to work every day.
About 100 miles now.
100 miles every day. He's 500 miles, 600 miles a week just riding to work. So that's going to conclude the install of the electrical connection heated seat amplifier. And if I understand correctly, a lot of the heat is based off the ambient temperature. If I understand that the amplifier will boost the temperature of the heat, but it will not exceed the heated level that Honda,
Factory specification.
the factory specifications. Thank you, Dano.
You gotta have a supervisor.
Got to have a supervisor for
Gino
that.
supervisor today.
That's right.
Dano wrenching like always. Supervising and getting beer and
That's right. I provided
one tool today needed.
6 millimeter.
6 millimeter Allen. However you have it in your toolbox, 1/2 inch drive, 3/8, whatever you got.
Yep.
One tool today.
So if you want to get them buns toasty for the winter on your Goldwing, I would check with electrical connection regarding the 2018 plus on that. See Lewis Preston with electrical connection. He's in Knoxville, Tennessee. This guy is a guru for electronics on the Goldwing. So appreciate you watching. This is MemphisMike. Got Gino supervising today. We got our boy Dano. And what do we always say, Dano?
Hit the like button. Subscribe. Bring everybody else along for the ride.
That's right.
Thanks again, Lewis.
That's right. Appreciate you, Lewis. Thank you.